In this video, I will show you how to install mods to Steam games. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you want to install mods to games, then the easiest way to do this is once you've got Steam opened, come up and click onto library to be taken to your games library. And once you're in your games library, what you want to do is come over to the left hand side. Next to the search box, you want to click this icon here to bring up the advanced filtering. And what you want to do is come down to the features section and take the box which says workshop. Now, what it's going to do is show you all the games that are compatible to be modded. And to actually install mods, all you want to do is select the game that you want to install mods for. Let's take Counter-Strike 2 as an example. Once you've done that, you'll be on a page like this. And if you look underneath the install or play button, you're going to see these different tabs. Now, what you want to do is click onto workshop. What that's going to do is take you across to the workshop for that specific game. And from here, you're going to find different mods that you can install. So if we scroll down, you can see we've got, for example, for Counter-Strike 2, there's different game modes and maps and things like that we can install. So for example, if I click onto classic game mode, this is going to show all the mods available to install for the classic game mode on Counter-Strike 2. Now, to actually install any of these mods, let's go ahead and take this map for example. What you want to do is click to be taken to the mod page. This way you can come to find out more information, and to actually install this, if you scroll down, you're going to see a green subscribe button. So all you need to do is simply click the subscribe button. What that's going to do is automatically install that mod for that Steam game. So that is how to install mods to Steam games. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.